Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be erasing a USB drive with disk utility. This is particularly useful if you want to erase an old hard drive for backups. And yeah, let's get started. First up, you want to open disk utility on your Mac. Insert your USB or SD card into your Mac and you'll see it come up. And just to double check, just look in your locations and you should be able to see the mounted USB drive / SD card. Next, you want to go back to disk utility and click erase and give a name to it. And for this process you can choose whatever format you want. I'm choosing exFAT. You can also use security options to make sure your erased data is secure. Basically it adds ones and zeros to the SD card or USB drive to remove any unwanted files. After that, just click erase and then it should be done. Just to double check, we can transfer a file across, so I'll be transferring a small file. Thank you very much for watching. If you learned something new today, please like and subscribe.